All right, guys, another beautiful day in Vancouver. It's January, so we rarely get sun, but it's a climb to the park, Irma. So this is the park close to the elementary school over there. This is one of Kyle's favorite park because it is a water park, as you can see. Obviously it's off because it's 2 degrees here right now, and you know, just on my days off or just on sunny days like this before I go to work, take time out, you know. Kid loves being outside, especially with COVID and everything right now. Obviously we've been stuck at home, can't really hang out with people, so yeah, let me just show you a little bit of the park. So it's pretty big. There's also a kind of like a mini track on that end, so not bad at all. Bah. 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 Ta-da! Clap, clap, clap. Just walking around with my boy Kayam. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Hi.
Next day.
It's another day. Go to a different park. We're gonna go to a skate park. My boy in the back over there. 10. Good job. Sure, you guys are on Fraser Heights. You know, lots of parks here. There's also lots of schools. So we go before kids go to lunch and everything. Because right now it's 10:30. They're all still in classes and stuff like that. So go to a park and skate park, and we'll see you guys there. So some of you may or may not know, I actually used to skateboard, but yay! The funny thing is I was going down the hill and there's a car behind me, so I panicked, jumped off my skateboard and fell because I was a dumbass. And I got like 8 stitches on my lip, and after that I was like, nah, I'm gonna stop doing this. And I was new in Canada, so when I got those stitches I was so scared because I thought my mom had to pay the bills for me to get my lip stitched up and everything. Well, the good thing about Canada is if you need to go to the doctors or the hospital, it's free. So a little story for you.
Next day.
Alright guys, so we're just enjoying one of Kyan's gifts. One of my old managers from Bloedel shipped us up 3 cars, so it's taking for a spin. I mean, I work for a car dealership, so it's only makes sense for us to have at least 4 or 5 cars at home. Kyan, vroom vroom. Are you having fun? You having fun? Yay!
Few moments later.
We're gonna go to Bloedel Conservatory in Vancouver. Check out some birds. Something you guys should go check out. It's actually pretty cheap. It's I think $7 per adult, and kids are free. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna go watch some birds. Okay, let's go. You want the orange? Okay. Yay. Okay, go to mama. Let's go. Alright guys. Check it out. Hey guys, finally here. So we're gonna go check it out. It's actually pretty nice. You can see. For $7 it's not bad at all. View is pretty nice, and then later on we're gonna go check out the outside. Oops. Come on, there's people waiting. Let's go. Come on. Say hi. Yes. That's right. The bird. Bird. Yeah, so many birds, right? Yay! All right, guys, that was pretty nice. It's not that big, but you know, it's pretty neat. So if you want to go, just check them out. Hey guys, another beautiful day. We're gonna be going to Bloedel Conservatory. Bloedel Conservatory.